Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can remove threads from Instagram. So when you're on your Instagram profile, as you can see, the thread badge is showing in my bio. To remove it, you'll need to use the thread app itself. Head back to your home screen, open up the thread app, and then log into your account. So you'll have two choices. Either deactivate your Threads account or delete them. Deactivating removes it from your Instagram profile, but you can reactivate it later. So to do so, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the profile-like icon at the bottom right corner. Inside here, you then need to go ahead and tap on this tool line, then tap on account. Now simply tap on deactivate or delete profile, and just like that, you could deactivate or delete it by tapping on these two options. Now, once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. And now go back to your Instagram and refresh your profile. And just like that, you will no longer see the thread badge in your profile. And that's it. You have removed the thread badge from your Instagram. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.